Hey, this is Stephanie, and I wanted to share with you a little tour of our new user interface for SAM that we like to call SAMi. So let's log in. All right, so on our new interface, there's a couple of changes that I just want to point out to you so you're well aware of what's going on. There are no longer any entity tabs at the top. We're sort of playing with another design for it, but right now they're all under my records. So we intend for a little bit more color here, but these all function exactly the same. So we're used to click family, you click family and it's going to take you right there. Under my records though, you could certainly add a family record if you knew it, and you can have, if you have different add links, they'll all be lined up there, kind of like under add child or birth parent that you can see here. The quick search, report menu, add buttons on the sidebar, all function all the same. There's now this section for users where they can access their person record, their account settings, which is how you they have their credentials, their email settings to link to OAuth or link through OAuth to Google or Microsoft, and then edits to their report menu. You can also use this to log out. When you need support, you can just click this little question mark. There are help guides, creating a ticket, scheduling a call, all available for you under one single link nowadays. And then you can also access settings, those of you who can. So this is for SAM leads. The settings page has a little bit of a different look. Under each of the titles, there are a couple of words that help you understand maybe a little bit what's beneath or what's behind these different links. When you go into records, there's a couple of changes besides just generally they look different. The photo will be a little bit larger that you can use on the home page. We're kind of playing with how that functions. SAM links on the side. So there's a couple of links that InReach Solutions will control where they belong so that we can help speed up people's use of the system. And implementation, so checklists, templates, communications, documents, fees and expenses, and advanced options are all functions that will be available for users in a single area on the site. So for every entity type that you look at, you're going to see these same things. Fees and expenses on some entities will be different, where it's like child accounting or foster care accounting for families will be there instead. Then you'll have my links. My links will be all of the different links that you've got the ability to change the title for the sidebar and what's actually behind that link. As you move through into the checklist section, you'll see more changes happening here. You will see these little badges, status badges on the checklist, and ways to show and hide are now under accordion. So when a checklist section has items on it that are partially complete, or some of the items are complete rather, it'll show in progress. Once they all are complete, the section will change to saying that it is complete. You can open up and see all the different dates that are there. You'll see some changes to the icons and how they're laid out, but otherwise that's all going to work. Anywhere you are from within the client record, you can use their name at the top to get taken to the cover page, which is really nice. There are a few other things under reports or some of the other settings that you'll see. You'll see these configuration or properties forms. They're all in, or accordions, they're all in this sort of styling that will help you identify when we're trying to provide you information about how this is set up. On reports specifically, you'll be able to get to the report builder a lot easier. There's fewer things to kind of sift through that you might want to do. You can view and open the report all, or edit and open the report all in the same area of the site, which is really nice. So all of your options that used to be right here on the report are now here for the most part. There are a couple things under advanced options, things that you'll just do generally less often than these items that, you know, keep you inside of SAM and keep you using things within the tool. Let's see. And one other thing that I think I'll show you is over here in templates. You'll see some messaging from us around a lot of times in settings, this kind of manila look here. When I go into the template itself, there are some changes. You'll see things where you can insert from SAM. So how you're able to build the site is all here. You're able to pull in all the different types of elements from within the client record. And you can see styling options, just kind of getting things to be a little bit simpler for you and all in one area. Your logo will be replaced with our logo, and you'll see your logo on the home page or the login page as well. And that's what we've got. Hope that you are excited as we are to see this change implemented in your site, and we'll be looking forward to carrying on with new things as we get this implemented. All right, looking forward to talking to you. Bye-bye.